Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you an easy homemade scouring powder recipe using eggshells. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this scouring powder, you need 3 ingredients, namely your eggshells, baking soda, and detergent. The first step here is grinding your eggshells into fine powder, after which you sieve. Once this is done, you add in the baking soda and detergent and mix, and your scouring powder is ready for use. In this video, I tested the effectiveness of my scouring powder on some pots as shown. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux, and on this channel I upload edit and yummy meal recipes, edit drink recipes, travel vlogs, career talks, and some other lifestyle vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.